Volcanoes are explosive landforms able to eject moldy rock clouds of thick ash high into the atmosphere with devastating consequences. Volcanoes occur on destructive and non-destructive plate boundaries. Cracks and weaknesses allow to rise up with magma below Earth's crust. Pressure builds up, causing a volcano to explode. Magma are known as lava. Ash hits the sky and can cause suffocation to living things. Volcanoes can be a very
And in today's
dangerous
documentary, we
natural
will be
disaster,
explaining the
but can
events
be a
that happened
beautiful sight
during
as
and
well.
after the puychue cordon caulle volcano eruption, which happened in Chile at 3:15 on June 4th, 2011. The puychue cordon volcano erupted after lying dormant for more than 50 years. Nobody would be prepared for the evacuation of several thousand residents as their much beloved cities and towns became swallowed in ash and dust. Saturday morning at 11:30 local time, a new round of eruptions in the puychue volcano began. Seismic activity increased to an average of 230 earthquakes per hour at depths of 1 to 4 kilometers. Puychue threw ash more than 6 miles into the sky. The ash and gas plume that arose to an altitude of 10 kilometers above sea level and drifted south at 5 kilometers altitude and southeast and east at 10 kilometers altitude, crossing Chile's borders into neighboring Argentinian cities. Mounds of falling ash cover the lands within the plume's path. All this ash buildup greatly affects agriculture in the areas affected. It also causes a great amount of flight delays and cancellations to and from Chilean towns and also places within Argentina, leaving families stranded at airports. Winds carrying the ash causes civilians to be forced to use masks to keep from inhaling too much of the ash. It also causes cuts in the power, forcing them to survive on bottled water and packaged foods. The puychue cordon eruption in Chile caused a great deal of misfortune to many families and business owners. Yet after its destructive path, people came together from far and wide to help reconstruct their beloved cities and towns. With help from the government, a supply of $2.41 billion will be given to 1,400 farmers and businesses in the area affected by the ash cloud. They also plan to spend $7 million on the cleanup operation and double social benefits and defer tax payments for the hardest hit regions. Although the effects of the eruption were long-term, people stayed together and helped one another to come back from this horrible disaster.